Hey, what's going on, everybody? Get the old Mongo Man here, out and about this morning on my way to work, and KJ wanted me to stop and check out an F-150 sitting here along Route 18 in Burgerstown. I think it's time we address the elephant in the room. The rusty F-150. This one is for sale, $6,500, 2010 F-150 Auto AC 4x4 extended cab. That guy's proud of his 6.0. It is the typical rusty F-150. That bed is junk. Pretty sure that these frames are known to go bad. Right there. And this one is no exception. This truck is no exception to that rule. This side doesn't look like it's in as bad a shape. So the for sale sign says that it's a good buy at $6,500. Don't think so. Probably at about $2,500 it might be a good buy. Alright, well, that's all I got. At least we weren't this guy. Too much traffic down here. Yeah, that guy had a bad day at work. I hope he's all right. Goodness gracious.